it's Oa and welcome back for Vlogmas.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
And today I'm going to be setting up my Christmas decorations in my room, and I'm so excited to do so. I've been wanting to do it for a little while, but I just felt like it was a little early, but now it's almost December, so I'm going to do it. Plus it snowed last night and I baked Christmas cookies yesterday, so I am in full Christmas spirit and Christmas mode this weekend, so I'm really in the mood to decorate. So that's what I'm gonna do today. But first, I'm gonna leave you with the clips from yesterday. As I said, I baked some more Christmas cookies. I already have made some, but I made some more and I got a few clips from that. So I'm gonna add those in right now. And then I need to go put these cookies, now that they've set and cooled and all of that, and it's the next day, I need to go put them in their boxes. So I'm gonna go down and do that. And then for the Christmas decorations, the first step is to clean my room. So once I'm back in my room, I'm going to be taking the time to clean my room because it definitely needs it. And so like that, I have the space to actually put up the decorations.
My mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells.
So I am now done with all the cleaning. It took me like an hour to get done. I feel like it took me longer to procrastinate it and like not wanting to actually start than to actually do it, and it's really good. It really needed a good clean. I didn't share all of it like fully. I did also some like reorganizing of a couple drawers in my desk. I did like, I think I showed like the drawer here's just like cleaning them and stuff. So I definitely did a lot. You can see like on my bed, like that's the pile that needs to go downstairs to the trash. So I did like a lot of cleaning, took out everything that wasn't supposed to be there. And I also made, I don't know if you can tell, back here I have my dresser, and I made this space on it where I will have the Christmas tree, and I still need to move this box over so that it doesn't block the way for my Christmas tree. But I need to wait for my dad to be available because the box of Christmas things is on top of my wardrobe, so I can't get it by myself. Also, I don't think I really mentioned it at all, but you probably saw it from the clips, but I am a wheelchair user. I'm currently on my desk chair, that's why I have the chair beside me. I'm paralyzed from the waist down, so if you want to follow me on my journey to learn to walk again and my kind of like medical journey and all of that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But yeah, that's basically where I'm at for right now.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me.
So I now have my decorations all up. I don't have a lot, I just have like a few, but I'm still excited to have the Christmassy vibes in my room. As you can see, I've put the Christmas tree and the angel back here. Oh, if you can hear noises, I have Skylar with me and she's moving. I wanted to like show you guys what it looks like once it is in the room, but you might be able to see by the lighting that the sun is already setting. It is 4:20 and the sun is setting. It is horrible. So there's not really any lighting anymore, but that means I will be able to light up my Christmas tree, which is really exciting. And for the rest of right now, I am gonna do like homeworks, pretty boring, but I have some German homeworks to do for next week, so I'm going to be doing that.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing, yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit.
Hi, so it's been a little while since I recorded this video and I just realized that I completely forgot to end it. I was planning on like doing all of the close-ups, showing more of the decorations and then ending the video, and I forgot, so I'm gonna do it now. So I hope you enjoyed this Christmassy weekend in my life. I had so much fun just getting myself into the holiday spirits and just like having a productive and also just like chill weekend. It really was great for me to take some time for myself and have a little bit of a slower weekend for once. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, definitely subscribe for more. Also follow me on all of my other socials. They are in the description box down below. If you have any suggestions, comments, or anything, please leave them in the description box down in the comments down below. I always try my best to respond to as many as you guys as I can, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!